Hey guys, today we are back with another review for this, which is a wireless Bluetooth speaker from, well, it's been sent to me again from the kind people at EasyJack. So yeah, they've asked me to take a look at it and I am happy to do so. So, no idea where I've got my knife, so we will not look around for it and open it up like so. There we go. Okay, so this is a wireless Bluetooth speaker and it's also waterproof and dustproof. And by the way, EasyJack have started using these simple cardboard boxes and it's so nice. Also, like, I have to get scissors and all that crap. So in the box we have very small, well, at least pretty small Bluetooth speaker. It's like palm size. I have quite big hands, but yeah, looks nice. It's got like a really texturized rubber feel to it. I believe it's dustproof as well as waterproof, so you could like use it on a building site or whatever. It has really thick coverings for the ports. Don't know if you can see that. So in there we have a micro USB port and a mini jack. It's got an on button and that's a phone button by the looks of it. That looks like you can skip your tracks, and that looks like volume up and down. It also has like a mounting hook at the back and just kind of like an eyelet right there. Okay. So in the box we have some warranty information, but it looks good. That's not good. We have a pretty chunky suction cap, so that is going to hook onto there like so, and you can glue that to your shower or whatever you want, I guess, any piece of glass. So don't want to break it. Come on, come on, there we go. At least you know it's secure. We have a micro USB cable. We have a 3.5mm to 3.5mm jack cable with a carabiner or carabiner, don't know, like a mini little one. So I guess, excuse me for sniffing, hay fever. So what you're going to be able to do is hook that onto your jeans, I guess, which is pretty handy, or you could hook it onto anything you want. That's very nice that they included it. It's not the type of one that you go climbing with, but that's pretty handy. Okay, so what I am going to do is see if I can get this working, and I will come back to you. Okay, so a couple of things I forgot to show. One is like a lanyard that comes with it, so I guess you could hang it from your neck or, I don't know, from the ceiling, whatever. But the other cool one, which I suppose is a pretty big deal, is because this is meant to be in a dust or water heavy environment, they're giving this for your phone, and this is an S7. So you can just like throw that in there, and it's got this cool like Ziploc baggy thing at the top. So what you do, it's going to be a little bit awkward to show this, but you essentially have these two little turny hook mechanisms, and they will lock your phone in. Now the S7 is meant to be waterproof anyway, but that is a, that's a pretty cool feature. So yeah, anyway, what I'm going to do, I haven't charged this at all, so we'll see how that works. But I'm going to try and turn it on. Oh, hello. Okay. So I believe this is ready for pairing. Let me take my phone out of here, and I'll go to Bluetooth, and we shall have a look. And there it is. So it's pairing. Still pairing. Unable to communicate. Oh no. Try again. Now this did stop flashing, so I believe I didn't do it quick enough. Try again. That was my fault. Here we go. Hey, we are online. Okay, what I want to do is find Spotify. Okay, so I found something with a reasonable high and low end. We will have a little listen. Obviously, you need to bear this in mind. It's going through my crappy onboard microphone on my camera, through the internet, all the way through your speakers at home, so you're not really gonna hear what it sounds like, but I can describe it. Already, that sounds pretty good. This is by Mo, it's called Kamikaze, and I'm gonna attempt to max out the volume just so we can work it out. So it's maxed out on my phone. I'm already impressed by the volume actually. So that is very loud. I am surprised. Okay. So that's surprising. It's so small and it doesn't sound bad. I don't know if it sounds okay to you guys, but wow. Like, that sounds really good, and I can skip back. I've only got one song in the playlist, so let's just skip in. Okay, so we got one song, I'll put the phone down. Skip in, so controls work. It's actually got a call button. So what's that going to do if I press the call button? I would assume it stopped it so I can make a call, but I imagine I can answer the phone with this. So that's pretty good. Well, obviously I'm assuming this has been tested pretty rigorously, and it's, you know, it's not going to let water in. If it does, they're going to refund you your money. You can, you know, you can do all that jazz. But you know, this is a good speaker. Like, I've got a Logitech UE, the boombox, and it costs like, I don't know, I think I paid 99 for it, £99. So that's like 100 and, I don't know, the pound's crashed these days, but it's like $130 or something like that. That is incredible. This does not sound bad. Like, seriously, it really sounds, it sounds good. And obviously, the environment that you're going to be using this type of thing in is not going to be like an acoustic sound booth where you're going to be listening to every nuance. So, like, that is a really strong recommendation. Like, seriously, I wasn't expecting much from this, but I'm really impressed. I am really, really impressed. So, well, what more can I say? Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and yeah, go buy this speaker. It's cheap. Go get it. Thanks very much.